Are bugs and ants turning your yard into their home? Well, take it back with the Spectracide Insect Killer for Lawns and Landscape Concentrate. This powerful, fast acting formula is your ultimate defense against over 260 listed insects, including ants, fleas, ticks, bugs, grubs, and Japanese beetles. Whether it's crawling, flying, or hiding in your soil, this knocks them out above and below ground. What makes it great? Spectracide works on contact and keeps working with residual control that lasts up to 8 weeks, so your lawn stays protected after application. It's ideal for lawns, trees, shrubs, roses, and even flowers. Using it is simple. Just mix the concentrate with water according to the label directions. Typically 1.5 fluid ounces per gallon of water for lawn application. Then apply it using a tank sprayer or Dow-style hose end sprayer. Spray thoroughly until the surface is evenly wet but not dripping. For best results, apply when insects are active and when the grass is dry. Avoid watering for at least 24 hours so the product can soak in and get to work. In just minutes, you'll start reclaiming your yard from annoying and harmful pests. Plus, it's affordable, effective, and easy to apply. I actually only paid $5 for mine, and it's $7 on Amazon. I got it from Lowe's. But the affordability makes it the go-to solution for homeowners who take pride in their outdoor space. So why wait? Protect your lawn, protect your home. Get Spectracide Lawn and Landscape Insect Killer and kick pests to the curb where they belong. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.